Hello, everyone. I'm Luscious the Cat, and I've been asked by the GOP to tell you exactly what rape is. You see, there seems to be some confusion lately about what exactly rape is and is not. And people are also confused about the many different words we have to describe it. There's forcible rape, unforcible rape, legitimate rape, and illegitimate rape. It can get confusing, but it's all really quite simple. Forcible rape is legitimate rape. Illegitimate rape is unforcible rape. Let's do a little simulation for you now. This is a vagina. And this is a penis. In an unforcible rape, a man is just there, minding his own business. And then all of a sudden, a vagina, either accidentally or deliberately, wraps around the penis. And it then forces sperm out of a penis against your will. The GOP feels very strongly that a vagina was put on Earth to create a baby, not to provide pleasure to a clitoris. You see that sperm that the vagina just forced out of your penis? That's supposed to make the baby. It doesn't matter if it was legitimate rape or illegitimate rape. That sperm must make a baby, and you cannot get rid of it until it turns 18. Of course, nowadays, I think it's up to 35. All of this means that the GOP does not want to see an abortion for any reason. Health of the mother, incest, rape, any kind of rape. If we're willing to let a woman die just to get that baby out of her, do you really think we're going to let you slide on rape? You see, the GOP stands for the rights of the individual, and a uterus is not an individual. It's just another body part found in women. But on the other hand, a baby is an individual. It's simple and easy. Bottom line, you cannot get rid of that baby anymore by yelling rape. So it doesn't really matter what kind of rape you experience. You might as well not even bother to yell out rape. Got it?